This is quick tutorial for the WaySync suite. Just following these 8 steps to complete the entire process. Step 1. Set up a new file. Step 2. Add new signals. Step 3. Add timing parameters. Step 4. Create subsystems. Step 5. Edit or optimize timespace diagram. Step 6. Transfer the file to WaySync M. Step 7. Conduct field diagnosis and data collection. Step 8. Generate performance reports. Start WaySync and open a new file. Name the file and save it to a folder. Add a new agency. Based on the current map view, WaySync should automatically identify the state and county where the agency is located. Try to modify some default parameters to meet the agency's specifications. To add signals, locate it on the map and right-click the mouse. Using Google's geocoding function, WaySync should automatically pull out the street names. Double-check the accuracy of the street names, direction, and make necessary changes. Do not try to change the signal name. It is automatically generated based on the street names. Double-click the signal to bring up the timing editing window. Make necessary changes of the default timing parameters. Drag the timing bars to adjust phase splits. Click any phase to change the sequence. Use the duplicate button to create another timing plan while keeping all the basic timing parameters. Multiple timing plans can be created and stored. Repeat the same process to add other signals. Right-click the mouse to create a new subsystem. A subsystem is a group of signals that you want to coordinate. You can hold the right mouse key to draw a rectangular area to include the signals in the group. Single-click a signal to unselect or reselect. Name the subsystem and then click Generate. Repeat the same process to create other subsystems. For easy visualization, when there are many subsystems in a network, you can assign different colors to different subsystems, using the subsystem management function. Once a subsystem is created, you can now view the timespace diagram and perform bandwidth optimization. First, select a subsystem and a timing plan. Open the timespace diagram. Right-click to bring up the optimization window. There are several optimization features. It is always good to first try a balanced optimization for maximum two-way progression. When a subsystem involves many signals, using the partition functions may produce better results. Keep in mind that engineering judgment is always an important factor when developing signal timing plans. Once the timing plans are finalized, the next step is to transfer the file to WaySync M, the mobile app. There are several means to transfer the files between WaySync D and M. Please watch a separate tutorial on how to operate WaySync M. Once the file is loaded to WaySync M, you are ready to conduct field timing verification and record travel runs. There is no need to sync the clock as long as the clocks of the field controllers are accurate. Simply press the record button, and the GPS trajectory video will be automatically recorded. While driving a corridor, you can see where signals are off, due to reasons of early return, transition, clock drifts, or erroneous timing inputs. The final step is to produce signal timing performance measures, for evaluation purposes. Select a corridor and timing plan where you want to generate the performance report. But before generating the reports, you need to first transfer the recorded GPS and videos from WaySync M to WaySync D. Please watch a separate tutorial on how to transfer such files. Now you can load the GPS and video files onto the timespace diagram. You can select a particular or multiple runs. Then you can generate the performance reports. WaySync D includes its own quality of signal timing performance index, and the corridor synchronization performance index adopted by the Orange County in California. There is a separate tutorial for more details on performance reports. Thank you for watching. Hope WaySync can bring you the best signal timing experience.